Let's do this once more. And the last one. Just continuing the practice. Follow it with a round of palming. Couple of days. And just slowly open your eyes. Awesome. Let's start with some warm-up again with a partner. For those who do not have a partner, it's okay. We are just pulsing into Konasana for those who do not have a partner. For those who have a partner, we're going to pulse in a similar manner, asking the partner to stand in the same line. Okay? And each time you pulse, clap the partner and come back. Clap the partner, come back. Clap the partner, come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Inhale, exhale. Slightly get your arms behind your ears. Inhale, exhale. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Holding the same side now. Those who are doing it individually, hold the Konasana. Those who are doing with a partner, try holding the elbows of your partner. Awesome. Into Konasana. From here, we hold the hand, take it slightly more behind the ears. Continue breathing normal through the nostrils. Continue keeping your mouth closed. Look up at the ceiling and smile. Feel a drastic stretch, amazing pull on the lateral side. Put the hand slightly more behind. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinuing the practice. Continue. Now, take the hand of your partner, the same hand of the partner, and drop it down on the floor. Make sure that the knees are locked. Drop it down. Lift up your other hand from behind and look up at the ceiling. Make sure both your knees are locked. Push the left hand slightly more behind. Whichever hand is loose and facing up the ceiling should be slightly more behind. Continue breathing normal. Duck yourself slightly lower. Get your hands slightly more closer to the floor. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinuing the practice. Slowly come up once again into Konasana. Go down, pulse into Trikonasana. Go up, Konasana. Exhale, Trikonasana. Those who are doing individually. Konasana, Trikonasana. Individually. Konasana, Trikonasana. Those who are doing with the partners. Continue. Trikonasana, Konasana. Look up at the ceiling. Move your waist. The toning I love handles. Superb. Continue breathing normal. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Look up at the ceiling. Exhale, go down. Last 5. And down. 4. And down. 3. And down. 2. And down. Last 1. And discontinuing. Inhaling, come up. Super. Let's go on to the other side now. You can ask your partner to shift to continue to face the screen. Super. Let's begin. First with a round of Konasana. Again, those of you who are doing it individually, please make sure you only go down into Konasana. Inhale, exhale. Okay? Let's begin. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Those who are doing with a partner, clap. Please clap. Clap. Awesome. Exhale, go down. Inhale, up. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Come on. Let's do this. 5 more. 4 more. 3, 2. Last one. To hold the elbow now. Those who are doing it individually, hold the Konasana. Holding the elbow now. Pull the arm slightly more behind. Look up at the ceiling. Hold. Get the arm slightly more behind the ear. Continue keeping the knees locked. Hold. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2. And last one. Just continuing the practice. Continue holding the same hand. And we go down directly to hold Trikona Asana. Parivritta Trikona. Make sure your knees are locked completely. You face up the hand. Those who are doing individually, continue holding just the Trikona Asana. Those with the partners, please hold your hands. Try getting your hands as much as lower to the floor and face up the ceiling. Close your eyes. Enjoy the posture. 5 more seconds. Pull the hands slightly more behind. The twist increases on the waist. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we come up, back to Konasana. Go down. Trikona. Konasana. Look up at the ceiling and go down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale up and smile. Exhale, go down. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Make sure knees are locked. Last 10. And up. Let's gear up. 9. And up. 8. And up. 7. And 6. And up. 5. And up. Don't give up now. 4. You're almost done. 3. And up. 2. And up. Last 1. And up. And discontinue the practice. And release. Awesome. And coming back with the partners aligned on the mat once again, we get ready for the next one into Utkat Asana. But here, we're doing some variations. So we're going to hold the partners back to back, but we are away from the partner. Right. So we get a stretch over, slight stretch, and now we squat down. Squat. Okay. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Those who are doing it individually will interlock fingers and squat down and come up. Those who are doing it with the partners, interlock fingers, walk away from the partner and squat down and come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Let's do this 5 more. 4, 3. Awesome. 2. Last 1 and hold. Hold. You're holding here. Those with knee problems, please come up. Do not hold. Others, please hold. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, smile. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come up. Amazing. Good job, everyone. Super. Very well done. And we continue holding the partner's hand and start walking away. We've done this a couple of times in our class. Make sure one leg is ahead and pull the partner tighter enough to get yourself a good stretch over the arms, over the shoulders, and look up instead of looking down. Superb. Just pull the partner. Make sure one leg is ahead. Continue breathing normal. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly release the posture. So now come closer to your partner. Okay, those who are doing individually are supposed to do Parvatasana and down into standing. For those of you who are doing with the partners, let the fun begin. So from here, we lift up the hands completely where they touch each other and down. So this goes inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now you're going to stand slightly away from the partner, just slightly away. Perfect. And continue the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Try tucking up completely. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go slightly more away from the partner. And continue the next 10. 1, 2. Inhale up, exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slightly more away from the partner. Let's begin. So you're not stretching the partner here, you're just away, making sure the elbows are locked. Those who are doing it individually, continue into Parvatasana. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just a smile, 8, 9, and 10. Go back one step closer to the partner. Let's go last 10. 1, 2. Feel that amazing impact over the arms, over the shoulder. Make sure chin is parallel to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Just continue the practice and continue feeling your arms and your shoulders. Super. Getting ready for the next one now. So this is Ardha Chandrasana. So make sure we align your heel with your partner's heel. Okay, with one leg. The other leg would be extended ahead. Okay, slightly more extended ahead. Make sure there's a good distance between your legs and bend the knee. Bend the knee slightly more. So now, arch your back. Now, those who are doing it individually, please hold the posture. You're doing it alone. So you're going to arch the back and drop it behind for those who are doing individually. For those who are doing it with the partners, we arch the back, both the partners, and hold it up. Bend the knee which is in front. Bend. Look up at the ceiling. Hold the posture. Arch the back. 5 more seconds. 4. Smile. 3. Take it easy. Normal breathing. 2. Last 1. And release the posture. Lock the knee, the front knee. Go down for the forward bend to hold the posture. So relax your back, which is just now compressed, experiencing multiple benefits, right from decreasing the stress levels as it affects the adrenal glands, improving the renal or the kidney health, improving the spinal health, reversing sciatica problems as you're holding the forward bend, and we slowly come up to change the side now. Getting ready. You can switch with your partner. to make sure that you're facing the screen. Once again, align your heels. Align your heels, split across your legs. Those who are doing individually would bend the knee, hold the posture into Ardha Chandrasana with the partners. Make sure you first go down completely, bending your knee, hold the hands, look up at the ceiling, followed by normal breathing. Hold, enjoy the arching of the thoracic region, compression of the lower spine. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly releasing the posture. Lock the front knee once again. Drop the head down. Touch down your head. So do a Jani Naman here. Five more seconds to feel the stretch the entire length of the leg. And to release off the posture. Super. You come up once again to get ready for some core and for some back workout. So here we're going to do a plank pose, a Santulan Asana. Okay. So I'm just aligning myself to make sure that you all can see me. No. Okay. To face me. No, face me. So let me put it. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Come up into the plank pose. So now, shake hands with your partner in the plank. Hold. Look up. Hold. Look at your partner. Smile. That's right. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Getting ready to change the side now. Left hand shake. Look up at the partner. Smile a bit. Strengthening the core muscles. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release. For those of you who are doing singly, good, you all can also hold one hand just up and change the side, or you all can just hold the plank. Just continuing the practice, coming down on your knees to come back with your partners aligned. So here from Vajrasana, we're doing Ustrasana with the partner. So make sure the partner is not so close, but is really away. So you are at the one end of the mat and your partner is at the other end. So today we are doing Ardha Ustrasana, okay, or Parivritta Ustrasana. So here you're going to rest your right hand. Everyone, right hand down on the mat. So your left hand comes up. Drop the head behind to hold the hands of the partner. Lift your abdomen higher up. And try reaching the elbows of your partner now. And look at your partner from behind. Hold. Hold. You're all doing great. Pull the partner slightly towards you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the posture slowly. Go down, relax into Shashankasana. That was a brilliant stretch, a brilliant opening of the thoracic cage, improving the lung functioning, improving the thyroid and the vocal cord functioning, improving the thymus gland functioning, which mostly regulates the immunity. Let's go ahead with changing the sides. So inhaling once again, we come up. Now we rest down the other hand on the mat. So lift your right hand down on the mat, lifting up the left. So once you reach your partner up comfortably, try reaching the elbows. Those of you who are doing individually can just hold the posture, lifting your hand up. So those who are doing it with the partners, please shake hands, try reaching the elbows. Look up. Look towards your partner. Hold. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release the posture. Go down once again slowly into Shashankasana. Inhaling, we come up slowly. And we are continuing to face that we are back to back with the partner and not facing the partner. From here, we continue and sit down into Sukhasana in the same posture. We're doing a sitting Vakrasana here. So I'm going to twist from my left side and my partner is going to twist from her right side. Correct. Just like that. My longer hand, okay, so which is my left hand, will hold her left hand. And her right hand will hold my left. Will hold my right hand. Twist completely, face the partner. Now, move your Sukhasana slightly on the opposite side to increase the twist. Awesome. Pull the partner slowly towards you. And look down. Look down, go down, follow it with normal breathing. Five more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release the posture. Continue holding the hands. There's a cross between the hands. Now, lift up the cross and hold up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release the posture. Let's get ready to change the side now. So we are away from the partner. One partner sits at the tip of the, and now we're going to change the side. So twist. So my right hand holds my partner's left hand. And right to right and left to left. So my right hand holds my partner's right hand and my left hand holds my partner's left hand. And we get our Sukhasana slightly more twisted on the other side. Touch down your head on the knee. And we come up slowly and lift up the cross now. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release the posture. Getting ready. Now we come back to back with the partner. Okay. Straightening both your legs. Okay. Into Dandasana. One partner goes down completely into Paschimottanasana. The other partner comes up into Setuasana. So my partner will go down into Paschimottanasana. The other partner would go up and push the other partner up. Drop the head behind. If you all came from Setu Asana, can come up into Chakrasana. That would be fantastic. So just extend your hands. Let your hands too go down. Hold. Lift your hips up. 5 more seconds. Those who are doing individually can only hold the Paschimottanasana posture. 4, 3, make sure the person who is in Paschimottanasana is holding the locked knees. 2, and 1, and release the posture. Let's swipe. Okay? Just to come up on my back. The partner, one person goes down into Paschimottanasana, making sure that the knees are locked. Now, those of you who are doing individually can now come up into Setu Asana, what my partner is just doing. You can either bend the knees or keep them straight. Drop the head behind. To hold the posture. 5 more seconds. Continue keeping the knees locked, those who are into Paschimottanasana. 4, 3, 2, last one, and discontinue the practice and release. The next one, we're doing Naukasana with the partners. For those who are doing it individually, I'm just showing it to them. So we are holding the posture into Naukasana like this. For those of you who are doing it individually. For those who are doing it into partners, we're going to face the partner. Come on. So come as much as closer to your partner as possible. Hold hands. It's number 1. Next, you lift up the leg up, the other leg up, and hold. Make sure your knees are locked. Your knees are locked. Try touching your head down on the knee. Hold. Last 10 seconds. 9. Touch your head down on the knee. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One by one, you place the leg down. And to face the partner once again, with the legs open out into Prasarita. So here we're going to split open our legs completely into Prasarita. To come closer to your partner, to hug your partners now. So those of you who are doing it individually, just split open your legs and continue splitting your legs further. For those of you who are doing it with the partners, to feel the stretch on the inner thighs further, you bend forward and try getting closer to your partner. Try getting closer to the partner. You can either hold partner's thighs or your elbows or the partner's waist as far as you can reach. You can also go forward to try touching the mat. 5 more seconds to hold. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just continue the practice. Slowly come up. To hold the partner's hand once again. Now, the right hand with the right hand of the partner, lifting up the left hand up. We're going to pulse down. Inhale and up, exhale and down. For those of you who are doing it individually, what you can do from Prasar's part, just rest your right hand down on the left thigh and pulse on the other side. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. So those of you who are doing it with a partner, take your hands with the right hand and go down. Inhale and up, exhale and down. 2, 3, go down completely. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one we hold here. Hold. Hook the toe and hold. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And hold the hand behind now. Pull the partner towards you and open out the hand behind. Face the ceiling. Pull the hand slightly more behind. Slightly more behind. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's change the side. Lifting up the other hand. Exhale. Go down. Inhale. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last one, and we hold here. 5 seconds. Smile at your partners. You can see your partners. Smile. And hold the posture. 5 more seconds. Pull your arms slightly more behind. Try reaching your toes down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release the posture. And go behind into opening. Parivritta. Pull the partner slightly towards you. Face the ceiling. Drop the hand much more behind. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release the posture. We come back from here for the last one, for the last posture of the day, into Paschimottanasana. So here we're going to hold hands, bend both the knees from here, and drag yourself behind. Pull yourself behind to lock your knees. To feel that amazing stretch, to reach down your toes. Try touching your head down. For those of you who are doing it individually, you are just supposed to hold up the Dandasana and exhale, go down and hold the Paschimottanasana. For those of you who are doing it with a partner, you lock your knees down completely. So we first start with holding the hands, locking the knees. Try touching your head down on the knees. If this too is easier for you all, so you can try getting your elbows down on the mat and hold the posture. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And from here, continue holding the hands locked. So now pull the partner further and change. Pull. Lock the knees completely. Pull. Lock. Pull. Pull the partner more. For those who are doing it single or individually, you can just hold the Paschimottanasana. Last 5 and 4 and 3, 2, last 1. Just continue the practice. Come back to Sukhasana to observe your breath. You've done a wonderful spine opening. Amazing for the back flexibility. Reverse problems of the reproductive system. Reverse gas and bloating issues with the compression of the lower abdomen. Stretch can work over the inner thighs, reversing problems of sciatica and stiffer back. We have worked upon the shoulders and the cervical health, improving the blood flow towards the head, improving the memory, concentration, reversing frozen shoulder problems, reversing cervical health problems. We have done one twist too, which improves the endocrine system functioning, improving the insulin and the glucagon secretion. Slowly coming back to our nostrils once again. Inhaling deep, exhale out gently. Do a good round of palming. Now cup your face. Open and close your eyes into darkness and rise. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you all.